What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you'll find a lot of free education. Make sure to subscribe because every week I share some free education here on my YouTube channel. Now, as you know, I'm mainly a smart money trader. My strategies are based on smart money, but we need to talk about it for a second. Smart money has great concepts, but at the same time, as you know, 90% of traders are still losing money. And you might wonder why they're still losing money. Of course, psychology has a role in this, but also I will say that smart money by itself is not something that makes you profitable. The concepts are great, but by itself, they don't make you profitable. Actually, constructing and developing a system that works and has an edge on the market is what really makes the difference. I hope that you can really find the informations that you need in order to become successful just by looking at my free channel, but at the same time, in the description below, you can find the links to actually join my course. My course, both the 1.0 and also the 2.0, is included with any membership from the monthly all the way to the lifetime, or also there is the option to have some one-on-one lessons. So make sure to check my website and then I'll see you on the video.
Computer. So first trade I'm looking at for today is GBUSD. GBUSD, we have Asian range, perfect. Below Asian range, we have an order block that manipulated previous lows here and broke structure. The only thing that I don't like about this is that direction of the market is not confirmed because we have not broken this high with this move, so it's not really confirmed. Other than that, we have this protected low which manipulated and broke structure right here. We have Asian range, so liquidity Asian range with equal highs up here. These are very important to point out as liquidity, as we usually target liquidity and take liquidity out the market, so equal highs. And below the Asian range, what do we have? We have the order block that's manipulated and broke to the upside. Now, personally, I wasn't sure if I was gonna take this or lower wicks right here, but anyway, we have to now wait for confirmation on lower time frames. 1 second, I'll look at the questions. So the whole idea for today is this possible trade with this protected low that broke structure. Being careful that the direction might still be over bearish because we haven't broken this previous high. We have equal highs up here. Asian range liquidity which was already manipulated, and we are below it now, and we will look for entries here. Let's look at other pairs. Please remember that you can send me your charts and I will take a look at it. All right. Here I'm not really interested. Some people might want to trade from here, but overall I see that we have this break of structure. This break of structure starts from this demand area, which is the latest demand that was respected. We also break structure to the upside after tapping into demand. So rather than looking for these sells, I would prefer actually looking for these buys on KGBY. SGBY nothing, Euro USD. Today not really interested in anything right now. Let me see Asian range. All right, we manipulated below Asian range and we pushed to the upside. Manipulation of Asian range pushed to the upside. We didn't really take out Asian range highs. Maybe with this move we will now, but I'm not interested in getting involved. Not interested in getting involved in this trade. Let me see where we are at in the chart. We have some hidden demand here. All right, which is where we tapped into. And overall, I'm just waiting. I'm not really interested in these. I'm more interested into GBP/USD. GBP CAD. Let me take out the Asian range. GBP CAD, nothing for me in this case. CHF, nothing. NZD CAD. NZD CAD. NZD CAD, I'm just monitoring this point where in between two POIs, so not really looking for entries. We are getting some charts, that's great. Wait. All right, this is USD GBY. Wait. I think you sent the wrong chart because you say GU, but this is USD GBY. Anyway, USD GBY, we have equal lows. We have over the block above Asian highs. This is perfect. Waiting for confirmation here. This is the 1 hour. Perfect. 5 minutes confirmation here is needed in order to enter this trade to the downside. Then we have Euro CHF, bring structure to the upside, retracement to demand. Yes. I will need to look for confirmation here. Your GPY. Your GPY, you're looking to enter here. I'm not really a fan of entering without the Asian high or low to be taken out. In this case, the Asian high. But I see what you see. Demand failed, retracement to supply, possible entry. If this is your entry style, then stop loss should just be above here, aggressive stop loss, but still, personally, not entering because Asian high was not taken out. Let me see UGPY. See, also, this is lesson for everyone connected. I understand this might look like confirmation. It's not bad. I'm not saying that you can never use it, but zone needs to be very, very good. Now, look at the difference between this type of confirmation, okay? So no clear structure, push to the downside, retracement, and this could just be this could have just been a bigger retracement for push to the upside. So between this confirmation structure and look at this confirmation structure from yesterday, 1 second. Here. This is what we want to see, this one. Okay, do you see the difference? 1 second, let me. All right, see the difference? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high with strong push, that's very important. Grabbing all the liquidity, We want to see exhaustion in the market, so big push, which should be the last final push. We don't know that yet. We need to wait to see confirmation that this is the last final push, but it is already good because it's strong push to the downside, breaking previous. Okay, this is confirmation, entry here to go to the downside. This is what you're looking for. If you look at Euro GPY, I'm not saying it's a bad trade. I'm saying I wouldn't take it as we can have better setups, as you can see. Let me delete all of these. Second. No problem. I'll just delete it another time when I'm on my other PC, because I'm still getting used to this new PC. This is GBUSD. You're looking for it all the way down. It's not bad. Today I was just looking for a smaller trade targeting Asian highs, small stop loss, and everything. That's what I was looking for. Overall, if you tell me that you might be looking for a bigger setup like this, that might happen at the beginning of next week, for sure, this is good. A mitigated order block or a structure, bullish, yeah,